Now let's see what is common in acids and bases. So first of all, we can see what is common. What is common in acids? So let's write some examples of acids. HCl is hydrochloric acid. H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. HNO3, that is nitric acid. CH3COOH, that is acetic acid. So these are the common examples of acids that we are always talking about: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and acetic acid. So these three acids are mineral acids and this is organic acid. So these are the four common acids we are always using. Then hydrochloric acid. What is common in all these acids? So you can see the common atom in all acid. We can see hydrogen atom. We can see hydrogen atom is common in all acids. So in this case, this hydrogen, here this hydrogen, here this hydrogen, in this case this hydrogen. So hydrogen atom is common in all acids. That is the first point. So first point is hydrogen atom is common in all acids. Hydrogen atom is common in all acids. Now let us see what is happening when this acid dissolves in water. So when this acid dissolves in water, it dissociates. It dissociates or ionizes to produce some ions. In this case, hydrochloric acid produces H plus and Cl minus. So H plus ions and Cl minus ions due to ionization. So when hydrochloric acid or any other acids dissolves in water produces the ions, the corresponding ions, or we can say by the ionization of hydrochloric acid we can see H plus ions and Cl minus ions. H plus ions are called hydrogen ions. H plus ions are called hydrogen ions and Cl minus ions are called chloride ions. They are called chloride ions. So hydrochloric acid on ionization gives or dissociation gives hydrogen ions and chloride ions. Likewise, we can write the ionization of all these acids. H2SO4 ionizes to produce H plus plus SO4 2 minus. So we need to balance. So H plus ions are there, hydrogen ions are there, then sulfate ions are there. Sulfate ions are produced. So in this case, HNO3 ionizes to produce H plus plus NO3 minus. So this is called a nitrate ion. This is called a nitrate ion. Then acetic acid produces H plus plus CH3COO minus. This is called a acetate ion. So in all these cases we can see one ion is common. One ion is common, that is hydrogen ion. So in this case hydrogen ion is there, here hydrogen ion, here and here. So all these cases we can see hydrogen ions are produced in solution. So these hydrogen ions are common in all acids. Or we can see the release of H plus ion, release of H plus ions in aqueous solution. So release of H plus ions in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means the solution in water. So we can write AQ in bracket in all these cases. So aqueous solution means the solution in water. So when acid dissolves in water produces hydrogen ions and the corresponding negative ions. So release of H plus ions in aqueous solution. So എല്ലാ ആസിഡ്സും വെള്ളത്തിൽ ഡിസോൾവ് ചെയ്ത് ഹൈഡ്രജൻ അയോൺസും അതിൻ്റെ കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള നെഗറ്റീവ് അയോൺസും ഫോം ചെയ്യുന്നു. അതാണ് ഡിസോസിയേഷൻ ഓഫ് ആസിഡ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ ഡിസോസിയേഷൻ ഓഫ് ആസിഡ് മൂലമുണ്ടാകുന്ന ഹൈഡ്രജൻ അയോൺസ്. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കോമൺ. എല്ലാ കേസിലും അത് പൊതുവായിട്ടുള്ളത്. സോ ഈ ഹൈഡ്രജൻ അയോൺസ് കോമൺ ആണ് എന്നുള്ളതാണ് എല്ലാ ആസിഡ്സിൻ്റെയും പ്രത്യേകത. സോ വി ക്യാൻ സേ ദാറ്റ് ദിസ് ഹൈഡ്രജൻ അയോൺസ് ആർ റെസ്പോൺസിബിൾ ഫോർ ദ അസിഡിക് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി ഓഫ് ഓൾ ആസിഡ്സ്. സോ ഹൈഡ്രജൻ അയോൺസ് ആണ്, ഇങ്ങനെ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യപ്പെടുന്ന ഹൈഡ്രജൻ അയോൺസിൻ്റെ പ്രസൻസ് ആണ് ആസിഡിനെ ആസിഡാക്കി മാറ്റുന്നത്. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അസിഡിക് ക്യാരക്ടർ ഇസ് ഡ്യൂ ടു ദ പ്രസൻസ് ഓഫ് ദിസ് ഹൈഡ്രജൻ അയോൺസ് ഇൻ സൊല്യൂഷൻ. സോ we can see this hydrogen ions in solution in all the cases of acids. So this hydrogen ions are common in all acids. Now let's see another point, that is this hydrogen ion that we are representing not like this, that is H plus ions are not existing alone. H plus ions are not existing alone. So in solution H plus ion does not exist alone. So it attach with one molecule of water. To produce H3O plus. So actually H plus ions are present in water in the form of H3O plus, and this H3O plus is known as hydronium ion. It is known as hydronium ion. So what is hydronium ion? Hydronium ion is formed by hydrogen ion and water molecules. So hydrogen ion does not exist alone in aqueous solution, and this hydrogen ion attach with one molecule of water to produce H3O plus. So hydrogen ions exist in aqueous solution in the form of H3O plus. So we can write H plus aqueous or H3O plus. So both are right. Either we can write H plus aqueous or H3O plus. So that is a correct representation of hydrogen ions in solution. So H plus aqueous means solution in water. So H plus aqueous or H3O plus, both are right. So for convenience, most of the cases we are writing H plus aqueous only. H plus aqueous is the correct representation or the common representation of hydrogen ions. So these hydrogen ions are actually responsible for the acidic character of all acids. Now let's see what is common in bases.